Hi everyone, this is Andrew with McCormick Music, and I just want to take a second to address something important regarding the tuition. So as many of you know, we made a couple of small adjustments in the past year to help keep up with the rising costs of running a business, but actually mostly to help improve your experience through further improved and trained staff, as well as a lot of new gear such as this beautiful Yamaha keyboard, new TVs in all of the rooms with YouTube Premium accounts, new amps are coming soon, new drums. We've been putting a lot into this, and I'm sure you've seen everything start to level up little by little. By the way, fun little Easter egg, we are going to be purchasing software and hardware exclusively to help teach you how to record everything that you're learning and release it to the world, making that part of the experience. I'm going off a little bit off script here, but I'm just kind of excited. Point is, we were supposed to raise tuition 2% back in last winter and then 5% here May 1st in order to help fund that and keep those improvements coming. Unfortunately, not all accounts were affected and updated fairly. And our goal is always to operate with transparency, fairness, and consistency for all. And that includes making sure all students are on the same tuition schedule. So here's what's happening. On June 1st, we're bringing all accounts up to the standard rate that it was supposed to be. So if you see a small increase in your billing cycle, know that's why. And by the way, I know with any changes like this, it's always a little scary, so we're here for you. Feel free to text, call, or email. The information is below. And I personally would be happy to talk to you as well, or the administrative staff, of course, can handle that just as well. And more than anything, I just wanted to personally thank you for being a part of the McCormick Music family that is growing and is starting to really benefit from all of these improvements we've been making. Your support means everything to us, and we're honored to be a part of your musical journey. We've got a lot of exciting things in store for you this summer and beyond, and I'm super excited to unveil some of those now. So in case you didn't know, we are already doing this. We're allowing you to jam with us 24 times a year. That's twice a month, and pretty much all that is free. On top of that, we encourage you to join us as we rock stages 4 times a year, 1 per quarter. 4 big shows that give you that high of working hard, playing a song, and coming off the stage 10 feet tall. And I couldn't help myself. I know this video is running long, but trust me, hang on. We are also now going to start offering, as of June, Songwriter Workshop Wednesdays. And that is going to go as long as you guys want to attend. So there's information for that below as well. I hope that you join us. And any student who's currently enrolled will get a deep discount on the songwriting workshops. And I do hope you attend, as I personally will be teaching a lot of those classes. I love songwriting and I want to see more of it from you. And I can't wait to break down some of the most amazing songs that have ever been written, show you some of the secrets of how they did it, and give it to you so you can write your own amazing hits and wonderful songs that you can maybe share with us on some of these big stages that we rock 4 times a year. So thanks again for sticking with us, and I'll see you at your next lesson.